Right. What would be the potential next market beyond the US? And how scalable do you see the solutions to bring up something like micro factories?
So again, our philosophy and what we are building is also a micro factory. Uh, so we are completely in line with that, and we are not just merely preaching, but we are following the path of a micro factory and a micro production unit, as we are actually establishing and building one. And in terms of different markets, I believe North America itself is a decent enough market for us for the near future. US, Canada markets, and then if anything, we might expand into Europe, uh, Southern Europe, or sometimes Southeast Asia, not India, but on the Indonesia, that side of market. We had some demand from that areas for a specific kind of crops, but again, primarily North America is where we target our products. Again, again, the whole product is designed with keeping the standards of a North American customer in mind. So our product might be a little overbuilt for an average South Asian market. Overbuilt, overspec, and may not be the exact fit.
Right. So while the product focus is there, what are you doing on the critical components like the battery, the motor? Are these being done in house or you have vendors for this?
Battery is completely done by us. We build the batteries because we import cells from overseas, and the fabrication of the battery, the chassis, and the vehicle is done internally by us. For motor, we partnered with the Wisconsin-based company, and we have been working with them for quite some time. They help us uh, with the motors. Again, we procure a completely assembled unit. Again, that uh, market, the company is also American, so it goes well with the customer and the customer requirements. The rest is all made in India.